break iPhones and work droids. You know, I fixed your iPhone. Down there in the brownish with the camera, that's Sydney's sister. Yeah. And see that girl down there with the black? That's the editor-in-chief with the other camera. With the scarf, you see her? That's the editor-in-chief. I'm comfortable holding it like that. Remember at Tarkanian, if we did this, we get in so much trouble. Side of the camera, listen. Oh, you love me.
Alright guys,
she's over there by the tree.
One more time for our awesome band, choir, and orchestra. They did an amazing job.
Hey guys, I'm Jessica Green, your student body vice president. There we go.
I'm the other student body vice president, and then I say
Oh, okay. I'm a voter. Okay guys, I just wanted to say that whenever I get the mic
I need you guys all to stand up. Everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Don't be lazy. Everyone stand up.
You want to listen about being lazy? Come on.
Alright, we're gonna do a little chant. If you guys win, you're gonna make some free shirts, okay? So you gotta do it.
Oh, shoot.
When I say D, you say O. D.
Oh!
D.
Oh!
When I say D, you say O. D.
Oh!
D.
Oh! Oh.
Juniors, it's your turn, okay? I better see all you guys standing right now.
I need proud juniors.
When I say D, you say O. D. D. When I say D, you say O. D. D. Oh, that's pretty nice. That's pretty good.
Alright, sophomores, let's see what you guys got. Everybody stand up.
Come on, sophomores. You at least have to show the freshmen.
Alright, you've been here for 2 years now. If you can't beat the freshmen, we got problems. When I say D, you say O. D. D. When I say D, you say O. D. D.
Okay, now for the best class ever in GM history. Seniors, we gotta say, you say D. D. When I say D, you say D. Well, obviously, seniors are just perfect. Give it up, baby. It's perfect.
Okay, whatever. 2015 service class.
Savages with the t-shirts, jeez.
Oh, that's what we're supposed to be doing here. Sorry, we get a little bit carried away.
Okay, let me introduce to you guys Daquan the Diamondback. Give him a round of applause, you guys.
Ooh, ugly.
And now for our first sport. Come on. We have girls basketball led by Coach Baskini.
Alright, up next we have the boys of wrestling, coached by Mr. Wiseman.
Watch over them.
Pictures of girls flag football. That's my assigned sport this year.
Alright, last but not least, we can't forget the boys basketball team,
Yep.
coached by Mr. Kress. We just really quick want to give a shout out to girls flag football. They can't be here. They're in Mesquite, killing that tournament right now. So make sure
They're
you're
I hope they're tearing the Mesquite people apart. They are.
Can I get the major coaches down in the snake, please?
Brave.
all the winter coaches. We want to invite you to say something about
I know a lot of
the
people on the Ghost Flag
Calling
football team.
all winter coaches. Okay, first up, Mr. Greg.
I hope they tear Mesquite.
How you doing, everybody? Our team captains are Matt Dobbs, Minja Yan, and Dana Hawkins. Our teams are off to a good start, and we are looking to improve all the way through the year. Come out to South Point on Tuesday, eat some nachos, cheer on the team, and give us a hand towards the victory. Thank you.
Hey, Theo, Coach Fretz. I want to introduce our captains. I don't think they're out here right now, but it's Jay Esnera, Austin Vasquez, and Chris Wyszynski. We're off to a 1-1 start. Thank you to everybody who came out on Tuesday and led us to victory over Sunrise Mountain. All you dedicated fans that stayed for the whole game, I very appreciate it. Awesome. Last but not least, I want to invite you out for our silent night game. Monday, December 16th against Boulder City. Let's pack the place. Thank you.
First there's going to be a 97.5 DJ, free K-Pops, photo booth, and the best part is it's only $15. And seniors, this is one of the last dances we get to go to our high school year, so I really encourage you guys to all go. Alright, so let's get right into the court. First up, we have our freshman Lord and Lady,